In this video, I'll introduce how GPON Sticks are deployed in a typical network scenario and their software configuration procedures. Section 1, Network Scenario. With all the equipment in place, the system is ready to be configured and the setup process can begin. Section 2, Software Configuration Procedures. The FS PON Manager delivers unified template-based control for PON modules, enabling a manageable and service-ready network. In this section, I'll introduce the FS PON Manager in 5 key parts. Part 1, Connecting the app to the OLT. Click Server IP Selection. The app scans and lists the PC's IP and MAC addresses. Select the adapter and IP used to connect to the switch. After the app receives ARP packets broadcast by the OLT Stick, it starts a handshake to build the connection. Part 2, Sending commands to the OLT Stick. The app offers 2 modes, menu and command. In command mode, click send_FCMD to send commands. Example, whitelist management, reply W indicates success. Part 3, OLT Stick real-time data. The app updates and displays the performance data, uptime, and operational status of the OLT sticks on the switch. Part 4, ONU Stick real-time data. For each OLT stick, you can check ONU status in real time, including online, registering, offline, and dying gasp. For an overview, open ONU, then ONU performance. This shows ONU port details, total ONU, and online ONU. Data is saved for later analysis. Part 5, ONU Stick historical data query. Click ONU and ONU history in the menu bar. In the pop-up window, click Search ONU. Search results display the corresponding historical data. With its compact design, simplified deployment, and seamless management, the GPON Sticks are revolutionizing how we deliver PON services.